Okay, I'm going to try the best I could to help this little cookie out. This might be terribly wrong, or a cure for cookies everywhere. He's alive! I have saved this cookie who has been a nuclear explosion. This is Matthew Cooper signing out.